Welcome back to another episode of Rebuildz. Today, we're back on the Audi S5. Hey, so we got some of the hoses back from Audi. So we got a good amount of parts back. So we're gonna try to install all these parts and then see if we can get a better results. Because we know we still have issues with this side. So there's some little small sensors and things that we need to put together. So we're gonna try to get that stuff done today. Anyways, like, share, subscribe, drop your comments and thoughts down below. Turn your post notifications on. Check us out on all social media links. Don't forget to grab yourself some merch from Rebuildz.com. Hey, let's hop straight into this one. So these are all the parts that we got. We got all the AC lines. We end up getting some of these AC lines in so we could get most of this stuff done. Apart from that, we have the radiator in here. So we're gonna try to put that radiator in today. Now what we have is, since this wire was broken on this connector, so we're gonna have to change the sensor out. And then now we definitely have the gas hose that we were waiting for. So we have this one that goes right there, and then we have this other one that goes on this side as well, and that's it. So we got those things in. We have some more parts over here. So what we're gonna try to do is try to see how much stuff we could just get done as quick as possible. Try to give it a start one more time and then see what happens. So we're just gonna see how. What you could see right here is all the hoses connected for the gas. For the high pressure fuel sensor, I made sure to splice in a new wire and put the new sensor right there. Now you could see me just removing all the old parts from the old radiator. So now you can see the fan being attached to the brand new radiator, and I'm getting everything together and picking some of the old parts that from the other car that I could use to put together with this to help the process go by easily. Now the next thing, you can see the condenser is installed and all the little plastic pieces that I'm trying to reinstall right now. What's next is to put the radiator support on. So now that the radiator support is on, what I realized that you had to remove the reinforcement bar off the radiator assembly, because when you do that, you could basically slide the whole assembly with the fan and the radiators down into it, as you can see it right here. And then now I'm just sliding down everything into it to make sure everything fits properly and works. So now it's now on the car with me setting up all the wires. So now let's get back to the video. So right here, we just set up over here, so it's good now. So now we gonna try to see if we could just put some of the connectors on and see what's good to go. Yeah, so that's gonna be a wrap. That was just a quick video of how to put the radiator assembly on. My camera ended up dying, and then the second one that I have was not turning on at that moment. But basically, from that part, what I had to do was remove the crash bar or the reinforcement bar. So once I removed that, the whole radiator and fan assembly just basically slid right into a slot that's on the back of that radiator support. So once it's slid back into that radiator support, all I had to do was just basically screw in 2 bolts down at the bottom. Once you screw in those 2 bolts, so it's 2 on each side, so that's 4, and then I just basically just put the front reinforcement bar on. So that was the only thing that was left. So you can see this is a quick video to just basically show the building or putting together of the radiator support and the whole radiator assembly. But like how that's done now. Anyways, like, share, subscribe, drop your comments and thoughts down below, turn your post notifications on. Don't forget to grab yourself some merch from Rebuildz.com, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay positive, stay motivated, and I'll catch you in the next one.